Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make fried eggs without yolk. This easy method ensures a delicious, yolk-free breakfast every time. First, gather your simple ingredients: fresh eggs, a good cooking spray, and a reliable non-stick pan. Having a small bowl ready for the separation process will make things much smoother. Let's get started on preparing these tasty egg whites. Now for the key step: separating the egg whites. Gently crack an egg into a small bowl or even directly into your clean hand. Allow the clear egg white to slowly drip through your fingers, leaving the intact yolk behind. Transfer the yolk to another container. You can save it for other recipes. Repeat this process for each egg you plan to cook. With your egg whites ready, it's time to fry them. Place your non-stick pan over medium-low heat. A light coating of cooking spray is essential to prevent any sticking. Carefully pour the separated egg whites into the warmed pan. Let them cook undisturbed for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until the whites are completely set and opaque. You're almost there. Once your egg whites are perfectly cooked, gently slide them from the pan onto your plate. Now, it's time to add your personal touch. Season them with a pinch of salt, a dash of pepper, or any herbs you enjoy. They pair wonderfully with toast or fresh vegetables. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Enjoy your healthy, delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.